Hello girls, so I welcome you all on Ashiki Kashi episode 1. So you must have seen many videos of people doing UGC creators, especially girls. So आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ उसी से रिलेटेड और बहुत ही एक मस्ती भरा पार्ट ऑफ दैट जर्नी. आज हम करेंगे बहुत सारी अनबॉक्सिंग. I was traveling. It's been a month since I was not getting chance to make any content, and due to that, I have many packages today that I finally have time to unbox them. So I thought, why unboxing them alone? Let's virtually make you unbox with me all those packages, and I want you to feel how it feels when we unbox a package that we are also not sure उसके अंदर क्या है, and it's quite exciting. So let's do it. And one more thing I want to mention that it is not sponsored by any of them. It's like literally raw. You can see I'm not really dressed. It's casual wear. I'm sitting casually, just one light and one camera. That's it. I just want you to have a feel like it's fun. It's quite fun if you have a small amount of love, even excitement to see the products, see have a kind of I don't know भूल गई मैं क्या बोली थी. एक थोड़ा सा भी क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है कि चीज़ कैसी होगी. Let's try them and what's in the box and anything. I'm so excited. And one more thing, if you hear any kind of background noise, ignore it. You have no other option. That's it for today.
So if you see, I have all the boxes scattered in a random manner. Let me show you. Of course, I'm shooting in my room, so what else you can expect? I'm shooting in my bedroom. So I'm gonna close my eyes and pick any one of them, and we're gonna unbox it and see what's there. So for all the products, we are going to do same, just to make things interactive. वैसे मैं हमेशा ऐसे करती हूँ. So today we have like seven. So today we have like seven parcels. और मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आने वाला है अनबॉक्स करने में. So I think from now onwards I might make a series of them. So shall we? Really? I am so always ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. इसका तो मैंने ये भी कर लिया तो I am not even aware कि ये कहाँ से आया. Let's do this. Trigger warning. Do not expect me any kind of ethics or manners while unboxing it.
So I was traveling from 1 month and I was getting these parcels on my home address. मुझे पता ही नहीं कि आ क्या रहा है, कहाँ से आ रहा है. So बहुत सारे पार्सल हो गए एक साथ. मैंने सोचा कि नाइस हिंट. ये ब्रांड ना हम बचपन से यूज़ करते आ रहे हैं और इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत अच्छी है. स्पेशली कोल्ड क्रीम. इससे ज़्यादा हिंट नहीं दे सकती मैं. आई गिव यू 10 seconds to think about it. Guess what? It's Pond's. कुछ ऐसी होगी वैसे. Anyway, so we got Pond's sunscreen SPF 55 PA++++. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है प्लस प्लस बोलने में. वो आई वाज टेरिबली बैड एट मैथ्स. बट ये प्लस प्लस नहीं बोला जाता. नाइस. आई लाइक द पैकेजिंग, द कलर. इट्स कलर इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट नो. मतलब सिंस चाइल्डहुड वो थोड़ा सा होता है ना क्या मन में भ्रम सा होता है कि Pond's का प्रोडक्ट की पैकेजिंग मोस्टली वाइट कलर में आएगी. बट दे हैव चेंज्ड देयर मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी और द स्टफ मे बी. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि तुम्हें वो चाहिए रिव्यू तो वो इंस्टाग्राम पे मिलेगा. हम यहाँ सिर्फ अनबॉक्स करेंगे. सो वन पैकेज इज डन. सो वी गोना पिक द सेकंड वन. इट्स वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट है क्योंकि ये ना प्रोडक्ट के साथ ही गिफ्ट भेजते हैं. अगर तुम्हारी किस्मत में आता है तो बहुत क्यूट होते हैं. सो आई लाइक दिस वन. भाई ना तुम देख रहे हो ना मैं तारीफ कर रही हूँ. बहुत हेलो. इसको ना हम बाद में बोलेंगे. इट्स वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट. सो ये हो गया. हाँ लड़के जैसे ड्रामा हो गया भाई. मैं आई थिंक प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू में ना सबसे मजेदार चीज होती है अनबॉक्सिंग. मे बी दैट्स व्हाई इन यूजीसी जर्नी मोस्ट क्रिएटर्स आर गर्ल्स ओनली. दिस इज माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. अलग भी हो सकता है, गलत भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओपिनियंस आर ऑलवेज डिबेटेबल. सो लेट्स गो. अबे यार कोई ना कोई रह जाए. So we got
Bioderma Laboratory Sensi Bio H2O Micellar water gel for makeup removal for removing makeup. Ignore if I say things wrong or pronounce some words wrong क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे बोलना है. Point number 1 और point number 2 कभी कभी जीभ भी slip हो जाती है. जीभ भी slip हो जाती है. मैं दुकान पे सीखी है. मैं टंग slip हो जाती है. जीभ slip हो जाती है. चलो बहुत फालतू की बात
हो गई है, तो ये तुम देख सकते हो. सोच रहे हो क्या पागल लड़की हो यार. ओके, ये ना मैं तुम्हें वीडियो के एंड में दिखाऊंगी कि फ्रिज मैग्नेट दिए इन्होंने, कैसे लगेगा. इट्स क्वाइट क्यूट और तुम्हें लगा के दिखाऊंगी. द ओजी मिसेलर वाटर 30 years of Sensi Bio. कोई मारेगा नहीं, लड़ाई नहीं करेगा. So we got 2 cards, Bioderma made in France. I choose joy and gratitude in every moment. मैं बोला था ना भाई कि गिफ्ट तो भेजते हो मुझे, उसकी गिफ्ट तो बहुत प्यारी है, बहुत प्यार से काटूंगी. पता चला गिफ्ट ही काट दिया. Okay, this case is handmade, and I just want to show you texture by click it little closely. Okay, let's put these cards inside this. बड़े प्यारे हैं यार इनके ये कार्ड्स, मुझे बहुत पसंद है, बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. So I'm gonna put some more cards. I have got one mission to collect some good cards with positive affirmations and solid too. Of course, strong people need strong affirmations. So we're gonna do it. इसको कहाँ डालूँ मैं? So moving. We have completed 2 puzzles. Now we are moving to the third one. मजा आ रहा है ना? आ रहा है ना? मैंने तो बोला ही था. डॉटिंग की ये आजकल हो रहा है भैया, बहुत फेमस. हर स्कूल की मतलब जब हम 11th में थे हमें पता भी नहीं था कहाँ क्या यूज होता है. मतलब एक कोल्ड क्रीम या मम्मी की वीको टर्मरिक को हम यूज करते थे, और अभी के बच्चों को सब पता है, सब. और नहीं पता था भाई, तुम शरीफ है. एनीवे, वी गॉट
Vitamin C plus E super bright sunscreen water light fluid SPF 50 plus PA++++ broad spectrum with silicone blood orange for all the skin types, dewy finish, fights dullness and dark spots. And this one is okay. This one is serum. And you can see it now. And the second one is serum, sunscreen and serum. अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
हम बेवकूफ थे भाई, हम कैसे मजाक उड़ाते थे हम लोगों का. जो लोग ऐसे करते थे ना, ऐसे 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 ऐसे, क्योंकि वो कैमरा पे फोकस बनाने के लिए होता है, और हम मजाक उड़ाते रहे. तो we were reading about this. Vitamin 10% vitamin C plus E super bright face serum, 5% niacinamide for pigmentation and dark spots, visible bright skin, beginner friendly. It's good. By the way, I need to read about this blood orange. I don't know about it. Anyway, so we have completed 3 parts. Moving to next one. Hey beautiful, happiness looks gorgeous on you. You hear me? Happiness looks gorgeous on you. You. Coming to 4th one.
Nice.
So we can read from here itself. It's B blend. No idea about it. So it tells you, oh, you are getting products for free. Because only creators know. If you, for example, if you buy one product, you will get it like 500 to 2000 or 3000, 5000 maybe. You're simply adding to cart the product and paying for it, and within 1 week you will get the product and you can use it. But when you get these packages, you have to be creative, you have to be patient, you have, because brands ask you to remake again and again. No, we didn't like that, do this change, do that change. No, this is too long, make it shorter. No, this is too short, add more things. Background should look like this. Your clothes should look like this. Your makeup should look like this. Hell lot of drama. Hell lot of drama. मैं डरा नहीं रही हूँ, जस्ट उन लोग को बता रही हूँ you get credit for free. No, we don't get products for free. You put efforts, you put energy, you literally get a lot of gadgets. Brother, ऐसे नहीं होता फिर. Anyway, okay. Today we have received so many pink products. One more pink and purplish. We got Big Blend Salon like hair fall.
Control shampoo strengthens and reduce hair fall with pea protein and caffeine. Caffeine. Up to 93% reduction of hair fall. They claim. Now I look see closely. Wait. Now I can see it. It's sweet. Okay. With shine tonic. Nice. There are so many things. Also the cream mask for people like me who जो बाकी चीजें बाद में देते हैं, इंग्रेडिएंट बाद में देते हैं, बट मारते हैं फिर बाद में पढ़ते हैं. अच्छा इंग्रेडिएंट क्या है? वेज तो है ना, ये वेज है.
हाँ, I think क्योंकि बहुत सारे इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स में एग वगैरह छुपे होते हैं, तो मेबी दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव स्पेशली मार्केट कि भैया इस भ्रम में हमारा प्रोडक्ट मिक्स नहीं होना चाहिए. So the next one is we have completed 4 products. The next one I don't know. Let's unbox this. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है अनबॉक्सिंग में. ना ही मैं तरीके से अनबॉक्स करती हूँ. अगर किसी को यहाँ उम्मीद थी ना कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ, नहीं भाई. This is my first unboxing video. If you want me to unbox, if you want me to create more and more unboxing videos, then follow me on Instagram. Monday, I think this Monday. Please. One more Bee Blend. We got this name. Hey, they have similar shades. Wait, unboxing it again. So this one is hair fall control shampoo and this one is hair fall control conditioner. Different packages at different time. Maybe I received this long way. I don't remember. And this one I think it came last week only. Okay, we got matching. I'm already using Bee Blend's that orange package. Shampoo and conditioner. No, shampoo and hair mask, which is good. I personally use it. I was not expecting that good result, but it's worth it. Like price wise, it's worth it. You can use it. So it also has same pea protein and caffeine. It does the same work. This is shampoo and this is conditioner. You want to see closely? I will show it to you. I have to smell it. It has some onion-like smell. It has some onion-like smell. I'm not sure if it does have it, but it has good smell. Like shea butter, kind of. And use it. And show all the products. Let me keep these things side and show to you. You can see. So, thinking what kind of stupid I am, but I'm not stupid. I just let and girls who are watching this they will knew the feeling of unboxing. I forgot to mention one is cream gel and one is light, the Pond's one. Okay, so we are left with 2. Okay, let me open. We have only 2. 5 we have completed. So one is again Dot and Key, and one is Pure Origin. For Pure Origin, I want to tell you something. It's very interesting. It is one of first company, Indian company, which has start making Korean products. Like they will give you finish like the Korean product give you finish. So I feel like I'm genuinely excited to try this one. So let me.
The first one is Korean I told you, they make Korean like products. Korean vitamin C face serum, bright boosting. See the cute packaging. They have taken Korea and then they are coming to India. Must. See, they have written on everything. At Pure Origin, we are on exciting journey to uncover rare and extraordinary effect. Natural. Ignore if I read like it's class kid. Effective natural global beauty secrets, one country at a time. We aim to help you discover your best self through products made with the world's most potent ingredients. Each product is carefully crafted with blend of natural ingredients proven to work on and provide extraordinary results one day at a time. Okay, it is for all the skin types. It boosts natural brightness. Here it how it looks. Not sure if you can see it. I don't think you can see it. No, you cannot. I'll create separate.
What do I say? Separate review of each of these products, so you can have your idea if these products are good for you individually. And the next one is Korean Vitamin Face Wash Bright Boosting for natural brightness with deep cleansing vitamin C B complex. Next one is Korean Vitamin
B serum cream 10x pure vitamin C with SPF oil finish free. Oil free finish. Okay. It works for dark
spots, uneven skin tone, and dullness. Nice. It's vegan. All these products are vegan from Pure Origin. If one likes to have vegan products, then it's good to have. Let me show you. Actually, sakti.
That's it for today. That's a wrap for today. I think I enjoyed doing this video. मुझे मज़ा आया, मुझे ऐसे लगा जैसे मैं अपने किसी फ्रेंड के साथ ये सब चीज़ें कर रही हूँ, अनबॉक्स कर रही हूँ, उनके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. आई यूजुअली यूज्ड टू डू इट ऑल अलोन.
It was a good experience, and if you want me to continue a story of these unboxing series of this unboxing, so do let me know in the comment section. And if you have any kind of concern or doubt, you can ask me either in the comment section, or you can reach out to me on the Instagram. And one suggestion: do not go any kind of paid workshop, especially if you are a beginner. You do not need it. Believe me, you do not need it. You do not need to spend money to learn things. You can do some investment on buying some products, equipments like tripod, phone, mic also. It's optional. It's completely optional. It is not mandatory to have it. And some good lighting also. And if you think that you cannot invest, or you do not wish to invest in lightning, you can use the sunlight, natural light. It is also a good option. And your Ashi is always here to guide you, here to help you out in any kind of doubt. Do let me know any of the silliest question. I'm happy. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. कोई चीज़ मुझे पता है और मुझे वो चीज़ आगे शेयर करने में किसी तरह की दिक्कत नहीं है भाई. मैं तुमसे पैसे नहीं चाहती वाली चीज़, which usually people. Anyway, no negative energy, just positive learning, funny energy. So see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. और तब तक मैं इनके रिव्यूज़ करते हैं. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. So this is the magnet we were talking about, and I will show you how to stick it. Isn't it cute? Okay, Bioderma, I'm waiting for more PRs from you.